This stunning, bright, and spacious end unit is close to Square One, schools, public transit, golf, highways 403, 401, 407, and 410, and is across the street from a safe playground. Entered through grand double doors from the foyer, the home's open concept main floor is flooded with natural light and is serviced by a two-piece bathroom. Gorgeous hardwood floors gleam underfoot and provide a durable surface for family living. The modern kitchen boasts an abundance of handsome cabinetry and ample counter space, so everyone can help with cooking duties. You'll appreciate the stainless steel appliances and a generous adjoining breakfast nook, which walks out the deck, patio, and yard. The huge master retreat easily accommodates an oversized king bed and features plush neutral carpeting, walk-in and walk-through closets, and two big windows. Adjoining is the master ensuite, which is well appointed with a separate shower and a wonderful oval tub for relaxing before bed. Off the back of the home is a sun-drenched yard with an awning-accented deck, which descends to a roomy patio and maintenance-free fenced yard. Take a tour today.